Magandang umaga sa lahat. Ngayon naman, it's 7:50 in the morning. Before we start the day, mag-visit muna tayo sa church. Pero marami na akong nagawa sa bahay. Pero ito yung unang labas ko. Traffic. Video tayo hanggang sa cathedral kung saan tayo mag-visit. Sana pala nag-video ako simula bahay. CSU Cagayan State University. Cagayan National High School across Cagayan State University. Tapos we're going back to our house muna kasi tumawag sila sa bahay at kailangan nila ng cash. This is my life, this is my daily routine. Ipapakita ko sa kanya, dapat always on the go. Kung may kailangan, labas agad. Kung kailangan umuwi agad. That's my life. That's the life of a businesswoman. Small time businesswoman. Hayaan nyo, pag mayaman na tayo, kuha tayo ng kung bibili tayo ng mas mahabang pasensya. This is life. We need to be strong, we need to be hardworking, and dapat persigida tayo sa lahat ng gagawin natin. Balik tayo sa bahay. Umikot ako sa likod ng Cagayan State University and we'll go back to our house. Video ko kasi tumawag sila. Okay. We are here in Caritan Centro. Caritan Centro, if I'm not mistaken. Sipag ni Uncle. He's old pero he's making himself productive. Sige, tulak. Oops. Okay, and then dito left turn tayo para makarating tayo sa bahay or store, kasi our store is located sa mismong kanto, sa mismong bahay namin. May signal na tayo. Okay, medyo traffic again kasi may mga under construction na kalsada. Kaya wala siyang traffic light for the meantime. Medyo makulimlim today. Kaya medyo malamig ng konti compared sa mga usual days, sa mga normal days. Mag-sounds tayo. Ay, wag na. Make it fast because someone is waiting there for me. Make it fast, guys. Okay. Alright. So, okay. Thank you. Ayun. Dadaan muna tayo sa SM City before we reach our home. My beloved home. There you go. Ayan. Doon sa kanto, doon as you can see, doon ang aming Rihanna store if you can see it. Yun ang aming business. There you go, Rihanna store. Hanggang dyan sa cafe. Okay. Let's go there because someone is waiting for me. Okay. Oops, malaki ka. Malaki ka. Natatakot ako sa'yo. Okay, let's go. Okay. Ayan, yung naghihintay sa akin siguro. Okay, so we need to park here for a while. Please muna ako. Iwan ko muna sila. Nandyan, may magka-cash out na sa GCash. And then, let's go.